So what are we doing today, Alex?
Today we are driving a not shitty, Fiat Punter.
I thought you were going to say a Fiat Panda. That's the best car ever made. Ooh la la.
VVTi.
Ah, big lorry, scary. I swear to God, the suspension on this is better than a Maybach. This is lovely. And now we enter the lovely estate where all of the neighbours here, they adore this car.
Alien looking motherfucker.
Bloody head.
Hi. This car's fucking silent. Hello.
Perfect.
Oh my god.
That.
This fucking car.
Right, I'll just start the car, let it warm up a bit. Sometimes it takes a bit longer to start.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, still out.
Oh, that shook my hand into it.
Yeah, it does. Now we have to let it warm up gently. That's the way you've got to shut the bonnet on. Yeah, just fix that. Oh, too fast. Right, anyway, let's go drive like normal people. Right, I'll just... No.
Just scraped out.
Oh. Right, we don't want that. Yeah, right. No, we'll move off when we're ready.
We're being
That's a
polite.
Fiat driver, we are polite people. I don't think we're going to make it through this gap. Holy shit. Maniac. There we go.
Why would you beep at them?
Just turn it round. Yeah. No one pressure me. I can't really see. Who put that there? For fuck's sake.
Put that fucking tree there. This car's indestructible, I tell you.
That's pretty gay. Excuse me, mate. I don't suppose you know how to get to Talbot Road, do you?
So is it right here? Alright, okay.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Take care.
Just go straight on. Just don't turn right. Don't turn right.
No, he
You're not...
wants me to turn right.
He's still looking. He's just fucking like... Do
Do
not hit a
I
bin.
am not a stupid idiot.
Don't you fucking... You've hit a bin.
I haven't hit
hit
a
a
bin.
bin.
You're talking out your rear. That idiot told us wrong directions. So it's this right here. Alex, that's distracting. That's an Alpina.
That's an Alpina.
Alpina.
That is an Alpina. Oh!
Wind down.
Shit happens, I guess.
It does. None of the buttons work. There we go, that's better. Now the steering's... Whoa!
Fucking...
Hi, Carol!
Hi.
Oh, Carol, I don't know who she is. There is a shortcut you can take through here, actually. Here we go, there's a shortcut.
Oh,
You take a shortcut
oh
here.
no.
I'm not going to hit anything. Oh. Now, Fiat have thought of this.
Don't you dare. I can see that field. Don't you fucking dare.
Fiat have thought of every scenario. You can proceed, but you can't make the turn, so you've kind of just got to...
Yep. Yep. Thought we were going to roll there, you know.
It really isn't. Yeah. Oh,
Just help you out.
right, there was a pothole.
Fuck. I like your dog.
And that's what I call a smooth set-off. Your shorts look nice.
I like your hair.
He approved, did he?
We're pushing positivity today, yes?
Yeah. It's all the shorts. How the gearbox snapped.
I like your dog.
Right.
It's Italian, it's well made.
Yeah. Oh my God.
You right, George?
I
don't think his name was George. Nothing behind you.
Yep.
You've got a bit more.
Oh. Good. Right, that's ours now. Oh.
That was close. Get off the curb. Get off the curb.
Jesus, Alex. Let me lose control, man.
I don't know what that was from then. Because I don't think you did that.
No, I didn't.
How much you get it for again? £1?
Pound.
Pound, yeah. That's quite good.
So how do we set off?
It's very important you put your seatbelt on.
Seatbelts might...
The wipers. Right, let's make sure it's in neutral.
Easy, go easy. That's it.
Right, sorry, I've never driven before.
Right, okay, good. Oh. Be careful.
This is my first time, guys. This is my driving test.
Yep. Right, just that's it. Lovely. Right, go. Nice. We're going right.
The engine's quite smooth.
Fuck are you doing? Stupid fuck.
Sorry, I'm quite anxious.
Be careful.
Okay.
Like, just don't.
Pull out slowly.
At the
Emergency stop. Oh my god, there's a speed bump.
That way.
Oh my god, speed bump.
He's learning.
Sorry, mate, I'm learning.
Brake. Don't need it.
Genuinely driving with no keys.
Just no. That's it. That's it.
I'm quite anxious.
Right, yep.
I'm quite anxious.
You're fine, I think. That's it. Could be a police car, that. Just YJ.
Sorry.
Put this back on.
Police, I can skip. Okay, I don't think I should be driver anymore.
Why?
I was too anxious. Hello.
Right, we've just got to check both ways. Yep.
Yeah, you good? Keep coming. Yep, you good? I don't know what that was.
You maniac. You're welcome. Maniac. We don't. That's so loud. That.
Oh yeah. Uh-oh.
Alex, I think it's damaged. It feels almost as if something's wrong. I can't quite figure out what.
Maybe it's the fucking puncture you've got.
It's alright, we'll fix it. The mechanics will mention it.
I think you hit it.
Alex, do you mind? Right, Alex, let me...
I think there's...
Right, okay, so now... The main important thing when you're jacking a car is you need to make sure the car is solid and not going to move. Make sure it's on the jacking point, which I'm assuming is there. That's it.
Just make sure the handbrake's on. Yeah, the handbrake's on.
So you just go until it bottoms out. And there.
Yeah, just make sure the handbrake's on. Just make sure it's in gear. Yeah, it's good.
Oh, and then...
Right, so we'll need to jack it up again, but make sure it's in gear this time. Yep, and then make sure the handbrake is up. Yep. Right.
It's fine.
You're littering.
No, I'm not.
You should jack it off. Huh?
I like doing...
Does it? Okay. Okay. Well, that's the handbrake.
Right, yeah. Now, we need to loosen the wheels.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Now that we've successfully loosened off all the wheel nuts, now we need to raise the car. Now we just go... Just to be safe.
Oh yeah, that's what you do. You put the wheel plastic under it. The wheel is usually rusted onto the hub or the drum, because it's Italian. So what you're supposed to do, you kick it as hard as I can, but make sure the jack is really unstable as well.
That's lovely. Right.
Oh. The good thing we've got the handbrake on it.
Yeah, that looks solid enough to...
Oh, shit.
You can fix this, Alex.
Vegas. Oh no. Yeah. Look at the fitment. Oh, that's clean. Slam punter.
So how are we going to get the wheel on?
The wheel is on.
Oh, okay, right, so ready.
All right. Well, see you later.
Yeah.
Wait.
End of the threads. Right, Alex. You're not being very happy. Just help fix the car instead of... Yeah.
Oh, shit.
That's good. Perfect. We're just fixing the tyre. Just neighbours showing their support.
You've got to make sure that you torque them all up to spec.
Be finger tight. Sure, that's what it means.
Right, you ready?
Beep 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 beep.
Right, and then 90 degrees. Okay.
That's good, that. That's not going anywhere. Right, now we just get it off the jack. Fiat thought of a quicker way.
Yeah?
You just like do that and then... It's good, that.
Should I drive it?
Of course we should. Yeah, easy.
Right. I'm doing this. I sound dizzy. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Okay. Oh, there it is. Good job. Oh, that's it. Yep. Yes.
And then there can actually be quite a good method to tighten the wheels. So you just like grab it and then just... Yeah, just... Alex.
Should we go get another puncture?
With what spare wheel? It didn't launch.
That's hard to fix the tyre, wasn't it?
I think we did quite a good job of that, to be honest.
Just take the fucking curve again. Should we for next time when we fix the other tyre that he's just bust? Oh shit! I think we need that spare tyre.
So on that note,
On that fucking note.
we've managed to fix the
Fix that tyre.
Now we need this tyre.
It's a bit vibrating.
Lovely.
Right. You're right. Look at
There we go.